In this video, I'm gonna take you on a journey with Strega. And with this Strega, I'm gonna make you a drink called the Witches Daiquiri. Strega is an Italian herbal liquor with a storied history dating back to 1860. Created in a town called Benevento, Italy. Sorry if I butchered that name. It's a place long associated with legends of witchcraft. And fun fact, Strega actually means witch in Italian. And it's ultimately a nod to the area's folklore about witches gathering at a walnut tree. Strega's recipe includes 70 herbs and spices from all around the world, such as saffron, which gives its yellow color, as well as juniper, mint, and fennel. And to this day, Strega remains a family-owned brand and is still produced to this day to its original secret recipe. With all that said, let's pull out these ingredients and make this delicious cocktail. To start things off, you'll need Strega. It kind of goes without saying since I told you I'm gonna take you on a Strega journey. The next ingredient you'll need for this drink is some kind of aged rum. I have this bottle of bamboo rum laying around and this will work just fine. Lastly, you'll need some orgeat syrup, lemon juice, and orange juice to round this drink out. The tools you'll be using for this drink are a shaker set and a hawthorn strainer. Everything I use in my bar, including this drink, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, you'll want to measure out 1 ounce of rum and pour it into the shaker. Next, measure out 3/4 of an ounce of Strega and pour it in. Now measure out a 1/2 ounce of orgeat syrup and pour it in. Time to measure out a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice and pour it into the shaker. Lastly, measure out a 1/2 ounce of orange juice and pour it in. Now it's time to add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the shaker is nice and chilled. Strain everything into a coupe glass. And there you have it, the delightfully witchy and deliciously herbal Witches Daiquiri. Cheers. This drink is fantastic. It's not what I was expecting. I was expecting a bit more of an herbal forward drink, but it's really balanced. I get that citrus in the front. It does finish a bit herbally, but overall it is a fantastic drink. And I get where those daiquiri roots come from. In my opinion, this drink is an absolute 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. As far as Strega is concerned, I've used relatively little Strega when it comes to cocktails, but this really encourages me to try using more Strega in different cocktails. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, I hope you try this drink. And in the comments, I'd love to read if you've ever tried this or plan to try this in the future. Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and I truly appreciate your support. But until next time, cheers.